Hello there, I hope you are doing fine. And in this video, I'm going to share my experience of switching to Windows 11 a few days back, a few weeks back, when I thought that Windows 10 is much more better than Windows 11 because of this internet bias. I'll be sharing my journey in detail, and so far I have been enjoying Windows 11. So it's going to be kinda biased towards positive. Well, I asked ChatGPT about a joke for Windows operating system. Here is what it got. Why was the computer cold? Because it left its windows open. I mean, seriously. Can we regenerate another joke? Why do programmers prefer dark mode on Windows? Because light attracts bugs. I mean, this is spot on. This touched my heart. Now we can get started about why Windows 11 is in fact better than Windows 10, and this is coming from my own personal experience. So a few weeks back, I decided to do a research on how Windows 11 will be in reality in comparison to Windows 10, and should I update my PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11. What I got were these results. I checked out some YouTube videos. There were some major issues in those tests. Like, it said that Windows 11 is going to be much low in performance. It's subpar in performance as compared to Windows 10. It takes more memory to run, and so many kind of negative bias. Then I checked out Reddit. There also it's pretty much the same case. People were actually complaining how Windows 11 is so poor quality in terms of performance as compared to Windows 10. That literally scared the shit out of me. But I thought, I'm going to try. I just didn't care. And one great tip I got in Reddit was, when you are trying to go for Windows 11 or any other operating system upgrade, try to do a clean install. Clean install is the road less taken, because it involves cleaning up your C drive where Windows is situated. And if that happens, you have to reinstall everything from scratch. That is definitely the road less taken, but still I decided to go through it. I decided to jump through Windows 11, and I'm pretty much shocked. Let me tell you this. None of the arguments held true, at least in this time when I upgraded. In 2023, they were a little bit old. Let me tell you this. YouTube videos, Reddit guide, they were a little older, like 5 to 6 months outdated, I guess, back in the past. But still, what I would say is that the performance of Windows 11 is better than Windows 10. The apps open much faster. That is number one benefit. And number two benefit is that it actually occupies less RAM than I faced in Windows 10. In that subreddit post, it was actually mentioned that Windows 11 will take around 50% of my RAM without any application open. That's not true. That's really not true. It's taking about 40% even with an application open plus 2 tabs. And also I have this OBS Studio recording running. That also costs some RAM. But hey, this is a great news. I tried it out, and from my personal experience, I'm having no issues as such with performance. Everything is super smooth. In fact, I would say it's better than Windows 10. And one thing I hated about Windows 11 was its design of the taskbar. So what I did is that I searched for some special software that can help me make the layout of the taskbar back to Windows 10 style. That's, I guess, actually forgot. It should be in my product app installation list. Let me check out. I'll tell you the name soon. The program name is Start All Back. And what I did is I just searched for... Oops. I shouldn't do this. Anyway, you get the idea how I got it pretty much for free, this program. This was pretty much it, and what I loved about Windows 11 was its dark mode design. I just love dark mode. I'm a big fan of dark mode. Plus these rounded corners are just super amazing. I love roundness instead of making everything flat square. So in my heart, Windows 11 is much better, and I'm really glad that I opened Windows 11 and closed Windows 10. The thing I realized after clean installing Windows 11 is that suddenly my C drive got lots and lots of space. Like it's saying now 115 GB free of 183 GB. But with the same amount of applications installed on Windows 10, it was just giving me 35 GB. Maybe something was wrong. I don't know why that even happened to be the case in the first place. But all is well that ends well, I guess. So to sum it up, I would definitely recommend Windows 11 over Windows 10. Go ahead and try Windows 11. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. You can actually follow the clean step installations by just going to here. Clean install Windows 11 Microsoft. They have their special guide that you can follow, ways to install Windows 11, and you can choose you can choose this other ways to install Windows 11, even if it's not recommended, but I guess it's worth it. It will give you much more space, much more efficiency in your PC, because if you update from Windows 10 to Windows 11, there is going to be some performance issues because the Windows 10 files will still remain. Updating is not equal to clean install. So definitely keep that in mind. You can still do it though, but I would recommend this method even if Microsoft says it is not recommended. Maybe it's because the applications are needed to be reinstalled again and again, which can be quite hectic for some, but I still recommend you to take the time to do that. It will actually help you in your PC. I followed this step, that is the number 2 step, create Windows 11 installation media. I just clicked here, I remember, and then I visited this page, create Windows 11 installation media. You just need a flash drive, a USB drive to make this possible. Just get an empty USB drive by formatting it, and then you can pretty much install, you can create this Windows 11 installation media to clean install Windows, which I would definitely recommend. Look, if you choose the road less taken, it might be challenging at first, but in the long run, it will be easy for you. This is pretty much the same case in life as well. Picking up the road less taken is much more valuable than picking up the road which everyone is taking, literally everyone on this world. Is that even creativity? I mean, this is not fun, not an adventure. I like adventure. Anyway, that's just my personal opinion. I might have failed in doing this, but still I tried and it worked. Well, that is pretty much it for this video. Hope you really found it useful. So in the end, I would recommend you to install Windows 11. Just ignore all those hate comments about Windows 11 all over the internet, YouTube comment section, even YouTube itself, how people have shown that Windows 11 is bad in performance as compared to Windows 10. But I totally found it opposite. You can try it out. Maybe it's different for different PC, but let me tell you that my PC is low end. As you saw from this task manager, I'm using i3 PC, Intel Core i3, which is the lowest processor range for a PC. This will pretty much be it for this video. And if you stayed till the end, thanks a lot. It means a lot to me. And I will see you in the next video.